Ukrainian long-range strike drones targeted a drone production facility in the settlement on Obuchovo, Kaluga Oblast, Russia on March 12. According to sources, the occupiers set up assembly lines in the workshops of the Kalushki Gazobeton plant. Local residents first reported powerful explosions and a fire at the plant on social media. Eyewitnesses captured videos of the strike and the intense fire, which were shared in public posts. Kaluga public pages spread the videos reporting falling debris and a fire in the industrial buildings. Due to the drone attack, Kaluga Airport implemented the Kovyor Plan, cancelling all flights from 9 p.m. on March 12 to 6 a.m. on March 13. The governor of Kaluga Oblast confirmed the night attack, noting strikes on the industrial enterprise and infrastructure objects.